can search from any other browser.
How to do that? I don't know, beta. Let me try one more time.
Ma'am, on Google only you type how.com or any other browser and you browse it, and
Okay.
it can come.
Wait. Again, you tell.
Ah, in the Google type yahoo.com.
Acha, in the Google, I need to type yahoo.com. Wait. I got an idea. Wait.
Ma'am, in your laptop there is not, ma'am, Mozilla Firefox.
Beta, I think it is there.
Ma'am,
One
you can
second.
click on the
Browse
plus
from
and ma'am
that
and do
also.
Wait.
ma'am
I
and
got a
do the
way.
work on that.
Listen, I got a way. I got a way to get it. Don't worry. Now. Huh.
Ma'am, why you have not downloaded? Ma'am, ma'am means converted your ma'am Google Chrome into Microsoft Edge.
How to do
Ma'am,
that?
Microsoft Edge is more faster and safe.
Acha. Chalo, I'll once the classes are over, I'll learn it from you, Harshit. Okay. Today itself, I'll call you. I'll get the things done. Okay.
No, ma'am. Now to you will open, ma'am, the Internet Explorer also, na, ma'am, and it will also say that upgrade to Microsoft Edge.
बेटा शायद माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एज ही है मेरा वाला जो है. चलो, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Ahana, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Recording is going on, tell me.
No, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
it is going
Yes,
on.
ma'am. It is
Yes,
going
ma'am.
It
on.
is
Yes, ma'am. It's
going
going
on.
on.
Fine.
Ma'am,
Ahana,
you
read.
have Microsoft Edge. Ma'am, in your laptop, ma'am, it is in the between of mail and downloads.
Okay.
Ma'am, that goals are.
ये वाला दिस वन.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
हाँ,
ma'am.
माइक्रोसॉफ्ट हमने बोला ना है इसके अंदर. चलो ठीक है, अभी पहले ये क्वेश्चंस कर लेते हैं. Which ideas, Ahana will answer this question. Which ideas inspired British administrators to take up the challenges of reforming the Indian society?
The ideas of rationalism, liberalism, and humanism.
Very good. Next, Aradhya.
Understand rationalism.
हाँ. Aradhya, next question. What had gripped Indian society of the 19th century?
And the Indian society of the 19th century was gripped by several social and religious evils.
Very good. Third, Akshita. Or Abhishri. Abhishri, are
Ma'am,
you there? Abhishri, are you there? Yes.
and the caste system was caused much of misery for the lower sections of the society.
Which system caused much of misery? ठीक है. It is the caste system. Very good.
Caste system.
Next roll number
Ma'am,
is?
may I?
No, Anshika Yadav.
Ma'am, I am only saying.
Okay, fine. Tell. Read the question also, beta.
Why the position of women in the society was deplorable?
In the society was deplorable. Akshita? Akshita, are you there? Can you hear me? Akshita, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Akshita? No, sorry. Anshika Yadav. Sorry, bacha. Anshika,
Yes, ma'am.
पढ़ो बेटा, आंसर बताओ.
Ma'am, I have told.
No, actually, there was some instability in the connection, so I could not hear you.
Why the position of women in the society was deplorable? The position of the woman in the society was deplorable due to the prevalence of sati, devdasi system, polygamy, child marriage, and parda system.
Very good. Next question. Anvesha. Anvesha, are you there? Anvesha, are you there?
Ma'am, may I?
Wait, beta, let everybody do. I have got approximately 44 questions from this chapter, so you all will get three chances to tell. Anvesha is not there. Okay, RN Gangwar, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Read the question and give the answer.
Name a social reformer of the Bengal who is usually listed first among the 19th century reformers. Ma'am, the answer is Raja Ram Mohan Roy.
Very good. Next. Atharva Verma is Avantika. Avantika,
Yes, ma'am.
tell the question, read the question, tell the answer.
Who is called the father of modern India? Ma'am, it is Raja Ram Mohan Roy.
Very good. Next, we have Ayushi Nimesh.
Yes, ma'am. Who established Brahmo Samaj? Ma'am, Raja Ram Mohan Roy established the Brahmo Samaj.
Very good. Next, we have Harshit Oberoi. Harshit. Harshit, who was behind the Sati abolition? Are you there?
Ma'am, Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar.
Sati abolition. Are you sure?
No, ma'am.
Who was behind the Sati abolition? Harshit?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Ma'am, I am not able to watch
Ma'am,
that.
may I tell?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, may I tell?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Vishesh
Ma'am, may I
Raghuvanshi.
tell?
Vishesh Raghuvanshi.
Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
spoke
Raja
first.
Ram Mohan. Ma'am,
Yes.
the question is who was behind the Sati abolition?
Abolition.
Raja Ram Mohan Roy was the main person who fought for
Behind.
Sati abolition.
Exactly. Harshit, now you got it? Harshit?
Ma'am, before you said to Vishesh, ma'am, उससे पहले ही मेरे को याद आ गया था, ma'am.
चलो कोई नहीं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Next is Ishi.
Yes, ma'am. In which year sati practice was made a punishable offense? In 1829, sati was made a punishable offense.
Punishable offense. Very good. Next is Jivyansh. Jivyansh.
Yes, ma'am. Who was held by a British Governor General to impose ban on sati, also named as Governor General.
Oh, name the Governor General. हाँ. बताओ इसका answer.
Ma'am, William Bentinck.
And who was held by him?
Ma'am, Raja Ram Mohan Roy.
Yes, you will write Raja Ram Mohan Roy was held by British Governor William Bentinck to impose ban on sati, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Let us go to the next question. चलिए. Who is next? Jivyansh के बाद it is Kartike Saxena. Kartike, are you there? Kartike, are you there? No. Next is Khyati. Khyati, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Who tried to bring women into new roles through schools and prayer meetings?
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am,
Yes,
may I answer?
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Ma'am, may I answer?
बच्चे
Ma'am, may I
Ma'am, may I answer?
Saksham will answer. Saksham.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell.
Ma'am, Keshav Chandra Sen. Ma'am, Keshav Chandra Sen carry forward the work of Raja Ram Mohan Roy to
Bring women into new roles through prayers and school meetings.
Roles through prayer. Yes, ma'am.
Schools and prayer meetings. Answer to this question is Keshav Chandra Sen tried to bring women into new roles through schools and prayer meetings, right? Next is Mihika.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 12th question.
Yes, 12th one.
Who carried forward the work of Raja Ram Mohan Roy to
Next level.
next level? Ma'am,
Huh.
Keshav Chandra.
Very good. Keshav Chandra Sen. Next is Parush. Parush. Parush, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Who championed the cause of female education?
Ma'am, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar.
Very good. Next, we have Pratyush. Who set up as many as... read.
Who set up as many as 35 schools for girls as an inspector of schools? Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar
Very
set up
good.
as many as 35 schools for girls as an inspector of schools.
Very good. Next, we have Saksham. Saksham, read. Your turn. Saksham?
Ma'am,
may I answer?
Ma'am, please tell the question number.
Question number is 14th. Sorry, 15th. Who was instrumental?
Ma'am, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar was instrumental in the setting up of first Indian school for girls in Calcutta in 1849.
Very good. Next we have Shagun. Shagun? Shagun, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Read the question and answer it.
Whose efforts in the field of female education were remarkable and why?
Tell. Whose efforts in the field of female education were remarkable?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, may I tell? Ma'am, may I
My
tell?
last
Ma'am, may
answer
I
was not
tell?
right, ma'am. Now, ma'am, may I
Shreya,
tell?
Shreya.
Please, may I tell?
Beta Shreya,
Ma'am,
let
may I?
Shreya. Let Shreya tell. Yes, Shreya.
Please, ma'am, may I?
Harshit,
Ma'am,
wait.
efforts made by
पढ़ो
Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar was remarkable because in those days prejudice against women education was taken and he opposed it.
Very good. Because in those days, people were prejudiced against the women's education, right? Very good.
Yes.
Next, we have Shashank. Shashank. Who was instrumental in legalizing widow remarriage? Who was instrumental in legalizing widow remarriage?
Ma'am, may I?
No, it
Ma'am,
is.
may I?
Beta,
Ma'am, may I?
it is Shashank Navodit's turn. Okay. Shivansh Pal, you answer this question.
Ma'am, please, may I?
Ma'am, Ishwar Chandra.
हाँ बोलो आप read out करो. Yes, very good.
Ma'am, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar was instrumental in legalizing widow remarriage.
Very good.
Ma'am, may I answer?
No, wait, Taran, question. When was Widow Remarriage Act introduced? Taran.
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may I answer?
Taran is telling.
Ma'am, may I answer?
Wait, Taran is telling. Taran, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell. Who was instrumental in legalizing widow remarriage? No, ये तो हो गया, sorry. When was widow
Ma'am, I
remarriage?
was telling for that one.
18th.
Yes, ma'am. It was Jyotiba Phule.
No. When was? Year बताना है आपको.
May I tell? Ma'am, may I tell?
Ma'am, please.
Harshit,
Ma'am, may I tell?
Ma'am, may I?
Harshit Oberoi.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, Widow Remarriage Act was introduced in the year 1856.
Very good. Next, who personified the best of 19th century reformers and demonstrated an untiring will for positive social action? This question goes to Utkarsh Gangwar. Utkarsh?
Ma'am, may I?
Wait, let Utkarsh answer. Utkarsh, are you there? Okay, Vishesh Raghuvanshi, are you there?
Ma'am,
Yes,
may
ma'am.
I?
Vishesh, answer this question. Beta,
Ma'am,
रुको.
Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar personified the best of the 19th century reformers and demonstrated the uttering
An untiring
and
will.
an untiring will of positive social action.
Very good. Next we have Vyom Saxena.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh.
Who was the founder of Ram Krishna Mission? Ma'am, Dayananda Saraswati.
Swami Vivekanand. Swami Vivekanand.
Yes,
It is
ma'am,
Swami
Swami
Vivekanand.
Ma'am,
Chalo.
because I am confused. Because in book, ma'am, both it is written Swami.
Okay, no problems. Chalo. Next is Vyom Sharma. Who worked for the emancipation of women by emphasizing on spiritualism? Vyom Sharma.
Ma'am, may I?
Wait, Vyom Sharma.
Ma'am,
Vyom, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell the answer.
Ma'am, I don't know for this one.
Okay, for this,
May I? Last one.
Divyansh.
Ma'am, may I tell? Ma'am, may I tell?
Divyansh will tell.
May I tell?
may I?
Divyansh will tell.
May
Let
I?
Divyansh tell. Divyansh, you know the answer?
Ma'am, may I?
Wait,
Yes, ma'am.
Tell the answer.
Ma'am, Swami Vivekanand.
Very good. Next, Shagun. When was Prarthana Samaj established?
Ma'am, in 1867.
Very good. We have one more this thing.
Now, may I?
Ruko. Chaliye. Who were the founders of Prarthana Samaj? Yashika Saxena. Wait, Yashika. Yashika is left. Who were the founders of Prarthana Samaj?
Ma'am, Mahadev Govind Ranade and I.G. Bhandarkar.
Very good, Yashika. Next, again,
Ma'am, they were the founder, ma'am, or they supported, ma'am, Prarthana
they were the
Samaj?
founders. No, they were the founders.
Ma'am, but in our GK book, it is written that it is Atmaram Pandurang.
Nahi beta, we have, I think in most of the social sciences books, you will find this only, that Prarthana Samaj was founded by R.G. Bhandarkar and Mahadev Govind Ranade.
Ma'am, but I checked. Well, ma'am, Atmaram Pandurang in all the websites.
Wait, let me check. Founder of Prarthana Samaj.
Prarthana Samaj was founded by Atmaram Pandurang.
Okay. So the question will be,
Ma'am, it's a scam.
Who supported the Prarthana Samaj after its foundation? Then you will write Mahadev Govind Ranade and R.G. Bhandarkar. Okay? I changed the question, not the founders, but who supported the Prarthana Samaj after it was established, right?